Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create 3D text in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make the 3D text. Go to the insert menu firstly. Then select the text box option and draw a text box and write anything. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then increase the font size. You can align this text. Now we want to make the text 3D. Select the text and go to the shape format menu. Choose the text effect option and select the 3D rotation option, and we can see here many 3D rotation. Now you can select anything. You can add the another effect of text. Now I am select the bevel and added the bevel. You can change the text fill color. You can change the rotation of 3D. Now we can see we create 3D text in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.